Inspiration is a compass of life. The revelation. There was a moment in my life when I was standing at the window at 4 a.m. It's dark outside the window. There is emptiness inside. No purpose. No desire. It doesn't make sense. I was doing everything right, but I felt like I wasn't living my life. And suddenly has come. Not a thought, not an idea, and the feeling. It was as if something inside had moved. It was as if a voice had said, "You're lost." But you're not lost. Just remember why you came here. That was the inspiration. Not a flash, and the compass, not motivation. And the direction thus today, I want to tell you a story, not about how to succeed. It's about finding a way when you don't know where to go. Part 1, Lost. His name was Daniel. He wasn't a loser. He had a job, flat, vacation twice a year, but every evening he sat on the couch and asked, "And that's it?" He wasn't sick, but I felt tired, which could not be relieved by sleep. One day he left, without warning, without a plan. I just boarded a train and went to a place I've never been to. It was raining at the train station, at an old house with open windows. There is a light in one of them, and the sound of a brush sliding across the canvas. Part 2, The Artist. An artist lived in this house, not famous, not rich, but every day he got up and said, "Today I will draw what my soul tells me." Daniel asked, "How do you know what to draw?" The artist smiled. "I do not know, I'm listening. What if nothing comes? Then I'll sit in the garden, I'll look at the tree, and I'll be waiting. And if he doesn't come, he'll come. Because inspiration is not something that comes from outside. It's what wakes up inside when you stop making noise." Part 3. The 3 truths of inspiration. The artist said, "Inspiration is not a reward for hard work. It is the cause of movement. You don't get inspired to start. You start and inspiration comes, like breathing. Don't wait until you feel like it. Just take a breath. Inspiration is not an emotion. This is the direction. It doesn't scream. It whispers. Not do it, but go there. Not get it done, but remember who you are. Inspiration is not uncommon. This is your natural mode of operation. You were born inspired. Then they taught you to be realistic. But if you start listening again, inspiration will return. Part 4. The compass is inside, Daniel asked. How do you know that this is it? That it's not just a dream or a wish? The artist gave him a stone. Hold it in your hand. When you think about what you want to do, feel what your body is doing. If there is tension, doubt, fear inside, this is the path of reason. If there is warmth, lightness, even awe inside, this is the voice of inspiration. It doesn't bode well. It says this is your path. Even if it's difficult, even if no one understands, this is your life. Conclusion: inspiration is not something to be caught. That's what you need to listen to. It doesn't speak loudly. It does not indicate the path on the map. It just pulls, easy, persistently, like a river to the sea. You don't have to be inspired every day. You have to be open. Put the sheet in front of you. Take a brush. Take the first step, and inspiration will come. Not as a guest. And how to get home. If this video has offended you, please share it. Perhaps someone like you is currently standing at the window at 4 a.m. and he just needs to hear, "You're not lost. You just forgot that inspiration is your compass."